Hey there, Ronnie with Schaefer's, and today Jason and I are going to show you how to remove the doors from a Samsung side-by-side refrigerator. So to start, we'll just take off the top hinge cover, just a Phillips bit, and then once you get that off, there's just an electrical connection to undo. And these can be kind of tricky. It helps if you have a straight edge sometimes, and you can just kind of open it up. We'll just take out the ground, and then you have 3 additional screws to take out. You want to make sure you have a metric set of nut drivers since this is a Samsung refrigerator. You want they'll use all metric. And you have a couple other electrical connections to undo. Just squeeze in the middle and pull out. And then the hinge will just stay on because you'll see that it's wrapped around those electrical connections. So when you take the doors off, just leave the hinge on top. And then we'll remove from the bottom. Take off the kick plate. Again, it should be 3 Phillips screws. Then you have 2 water connections, and they're just a standard John Guss fitting. Just pinch the little gray in, and everything will release. And then now you can remove the door by just pulling up and through the hinge.
Kirby, line 2. Kirby, Turner, line 2.
We can now take off the bottom hinge. Again, it's the same 10mm nut driver. And now we can do the same thing on the refrigerator side. Again, take off that plastic cover. We'll just disconnect those electrical connectors. And then our 10mm nut driver. And now that our doors are off, if you do need to remove the lower hinge, the screws that fasten it are actually underneath the refrigerator. So you just need to have your partner tip it back a little bit so you can get actually underneath the refrigerator. And then it's 3 10mm. And then your hinge removes. You can set the refrigerator back down. Now your doors are off the fridge. We can put them back on, and we'll put them back on just the same way we took them off. So we'll start with that hinge. One thing to be careful with, if you do have a Samsung side-by-side that has the twin cooling feature, and that's the doors, can you move that please, that have the metal, it's a very heavy door. So make sure when you're lifting it that you're not using your knee to support it to hold it up, because you'll easily dent the refrigerator door. So these are heavy, but don't use your knee to prop it up. Drop down in the hole. All right, and then we just hook our electrical back up. Hook the switch back up. screw our hinge back in place. And then we can put our cover back on top. And just be careful to tuck all the wires back in under that cover. And our freezer door. Be careful when setting your doors down, you don't ding the sides. We got our hinge. And again, when lifting the door up onto the hinge, you'll just want to feed the water down through. And also with this door, remember, don't use your knee to rest it against the door, because as you can see on this particular model, someone has done that. And you can see on the front of the door where that crease is. Make our electrical connections up top. Ground down, our 3 hinge screws. And then we can put our hinge cover back on. Screw down from the top. And lastly, we'll make our water connections down low. Kick panel goes back on. Close our doors. And that completes the disassembly and reassembly of a Samsung side-by-side refrigerator.